Welcome back. In this video, we are diving into the key components of the human rights-based approach and how they shape youth work. The human rights-based approach is built on four core principles: empowerment, participation, accountability, and non-discrimination. These principles ensure that human rights are not only respected, but also actively upheld in youth work. Let's explore each of these principles in detail. A human rights-based approach empowers people to know their rights and to claim them when necessary. In youth work, this means helping young people understand their rights, supporting them to participate in shaping the policies and decisions that affect their lives and not only, and encouraging them to take action against injustice and discrimination. Empowerment is not just about awareness. It's about giving young people the confidence and tools to become active participants in the society. Everyone has the right to participate in decisions that affect their lives. But participation must be active. People should have real opportunities to engage, free, they should not feel pressured, and meaningful. Their input should be taken seriously. In youth work, participation means creating spaces where young people can express themselves freely, share their ideas, and actively influence decision-making processes. A key part of participation is accessibility, ensuring that young people have access to information in a form and language they understand. A human rights-based approach requires monitoring and accountability to ensure rights are upheld. This means there must be clear laws, policies, and mechanisms to protect rights. Institutions and individuals responsible for upholding rights, such as governments, organizations, and service providers, must be held accountable. And there should be accessible ways to challenge human rights violations and seek justice. In youth work, accountability ensures that young people are not just passive recipients of support, but central figures in shaping youth services and policies. A human rights-based approach prohibits all forms of discrimination. It prioritizes those who face the greatest barriers to realizing their rights, such as marginalized or vulnerable groups. This means youth work must actively promote inclusion and equality, ensuring that every young person, regardless of background, can access youth work services. Discrimination is identified, challenged, and eliminated, and the most marginalized youths are given priority in efforts to promote equal opportunities. Youth work already aims to support young people's development. By adopting a human rights-based approach, we ensure young people have a voice in shaping youth programs and policies, hold institutions accountable for providing accessible, inclusive, and high-quality services, guarantee non-discrimination so that every young person can benefit equally, empower young people to claim their rights, and challenge injustice. To integrate human rights-based approach into youth work, we should keep in mind four key strategic questions suggested by the European Commission. First, does the intervention aim to realize human rights, especially for those in vulnerable situations? The second, does it address the needs and challenges of young people as rights holders? 3. Does it promote meaningful participation of young people? And fourth, does it reinforce transparency and accountability of institutions and decision makers? By reflecting on these questions, we can ensure that youth work not only meets immediate needs, but also fosters long-term change rooted in human rights principles. The big takeaway: the human rights-based approach in youth work is not just about supporting young people. It's about ensuring their rights are upheld, their voices are heard, and their participation is meaningful. By integrating empowerment, participation, accountability, and non-discrimination, we create a youth work environment where every young person can thrive. In the next video, we will explore the concept of intersectionality and why it's crucial in youth work. See you next time.